Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell digital art on Gumroad. Alright, so first up, prepare your digital art. Save your work in a high quality format like transparent PNGs, a 300 dpi JPEGs, or a layered PSD. So once that's prepared, go ahead over to the left panel, click on products, and just click on new products right here at the very top. And then we're going to find product or the product category, either digital or ebook. All right, depending on your format. So let's just go ahead and use digital product right here. And then go ahead and write down a name. Say, for example, sample digital art. All right, and once that's done, scroll down a bit. Go ahead and add in the price. Say, for example, $5. Now scroll all the way up once more. Click on next, customize. Now in here, go ahead and add in your description. This is self-explanatory right here. Add in the cover image. Now for the cover image, go ahead and use a mockup to show your art on a tablet screen, which got a stylized background or a product box to make it feel tangible. So for previews or thumbnails, you can upload lower resolution close-ups or watermarked images in your galleries so buyers can see your brushwork or line quality safely. So just for example, I'm just going to go ahead and use a blank photo right here. Okay, just like so. And then once that's done, add in some details, integrations if you want to, or pricing right here, change it if you want to, and then add in some versions or variations, and the settings right here, it's all up to you. Okay. Now, once that's set up, scroll all the way up, go ahead over to content right here, and here's where you would need to upload the file. So click on upload, and is it located under your Dropbox? If it's under your computer's drive, click on computer files. So for example, this one, click on open, wait for it to upload. If it's in the form of a PDF, you can upload the file here as well. No worries. All right, and once that's done, you got the point now. You can now go ahead and click on save. Now click on publish and continue. But before you can publish and continue right here, make sure that you have an active payouts account. And then once that's done, once you have set up your payouts account, go ahead over to products. Here you have it. Right click and click on open link in a new tab. Now go ahead and share this link to your Facebook, Instagram, or wherever. All right. So that is how you sell digital art on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.